Good morning, dear students. Today I'm here with the explanation of your yesterday's revision test. So your first question says, what should be added to 2 crore 55 lakh 49,745 to obtain 8 crore 34 lakh 76,732? Now this question is of large numbers, so we can get confused in this question. So to understand the question, what we are going to do, we are just going to assume some small numbers instead of large numbers. Okay, just put any small numbers. So now again read the question. What should be added to 2 to obtain 6? What are you going to add in 2 so that you will get 6? Now because this is small number, we can easily say that we have to add 4 in 2 and then we will get 6. But how we are getting this 4? We are subtracting 2 from 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, to get 4, what we are doing, we are subtracting the numbers that are given to us. So same in this question, you just need to subtract these numbers. You have to subtract this 2 crore 55 lakh 49,745 from 8 crore 34 lakh 76,732. You just need to subtract these numbers, and I hope you all know how to do the subtraction, and then you will get your answer. And in this case your answer is option number B, 5 crore 79 lakh 26,987. So now let's move forward. Your question number 2 says population of a state is given. It means total population is given. Then number of women's and number of men's are given, and they are saying find the number of children. So to find the number of children, what we are going to do, we are going to subtract the number of women from the total population. It means first we are going to subtract number of women from the total population, which is 12 lakhs 67,456, and then you will get one answer. And after that you will subtract the number of men's from your answer, and then you get your final answer and the number of children. So the right option in this case is option number A, 71 lakh 20,123. You just need to subtract the numbers, and I hope you know how to subtract the numbers, right? So this is step by step. First you will subtract the number of women from the total population, then you are going to get one answer, and you are going to subtract the number of men from that answer, and you will get your final answer, which is the number of children. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Question number 3 says the cost of an almirah is rupees 35,521, and you have to find the cost of 50 such almirahs. It means the cost of one almirah is given, and you have to find the cost of 50 almirahs. It means we have to just multiply these numbers. Multiplication. Okay, this question is of multiplication, and when you multiply these numbers, you will get option number B as your answer, 17,76,050. Now let's move forward. Choose the factor of 165. So if you know what are factors, factor are all those number from which the given number can be divided. So 165 के factors they are asking. So it means you have to check by dividing these number. First we will divide from 16. So 16 ones are 16. Now 5. We cannot divide 5 from 16, right? So it means 16 is not the factor of 165. Now let's try to divide 165 from 33. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. This is 15 now. 3 5s are 15. 11 ones are 11, and 11 5s are 55. If you know this method of division, very nice. But if this is not clear, you can simply divide it like this: 165 from 33, and 33 5s are 165. Okay, so 33 is the factor of 165. Now let's move forward. Question number 5 says find the quotient of the given numbers. You have to divide the numbers, and then you have to choose the quotient of these numbers. So 68 lakh, it's 6,82,592 divided by 32. Simple division is here. I hope you all know the division, how to do the division. So 32 twos are 64, you will subtract it, 4 is the answer, 2 comes down, then 32 ones are 32, subtracted, this is 10, 5 आपका नीचे आ जाएगा, then 32 threes are 96, you will subtract it, your answer is 9 here, again 9 down, 3s are 96, and same way you are going to solve it and you will get your answer as option number 1. 21,331 is the right option. You just need to divide the numbers and you will get your quotient. This is known as the quotient. Now moving forward, question number 6 is of simplification. So to solve simplification, we use the rule of BODMAS. Okay, bracket. First we solve the brackets, and in brackets also we have different types of bracket. First we always solve the bar bracket or line bracket, the small bracket, after that curly bracket, and then we have square bracket. So this is the sequence to solve the brackets. So here we have small bracket first, so we are going to solve that only. So 8 nines are, we have 72 minus 8. Okay, so now 72 minus 8 is 64, and here you have plus 5, बाहर ब्रैकेट में आपके पास 5 + 64 रह गया है. नाउ 5 + 64 अगर आप करते हो, सो यू विल गेट 69. ओके, देन 74 बाहर है. 7 ब्रैकेट्स आपके ओपन हो रहे हैं. देखो, फर्स्ट स्मॉल ब्रैकेट ओपन हुआ, आफ्टर दैट कर्ली ब्रैकेट ओपन हुआ. नाउ यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 74 माइनस 69 विच इज़ 5. नाउ आपका जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है वो भी ओपन हो गया है, एंड 2 एंड दिस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट multiplication sign here, and 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 is your answer. So here the right option is 10. Properly इसको solve करके you will get 10 as your answer. Now question number 7 says round off to the nearest lakh. So to round off this number, you will check the lakh place. Here you have, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So here we have 4. You have to round off this number. To round off this number, you check the immediate right hand side number, which is 3. 3 is less than 5, and in case when the number is less than 5, you will not add 1 to this place. 1 को add नहीं करते, the number remain same. So ये 5 में कोई change नहीं आया, 4 remain same, and other numbers become 0. राइट हैंड साइड के सारे नंबर ज़ीरो हो जाते हैं. जिस नंबर को राउंड ऑफ करते हैं वो वही का वही रहता है. अगर आपका जो राइट हैंड साइड नंबर है वो 5 से छोटा है, तो आपका राउंडिंग ऑफ प्लेस विल रिमेन सेम. यू विल नॉट ऐड 1 टू दैट नंबर. सो 54 crore is your 54 lakh is your right option, which is option number A. Now coming to question number 8. HCF of 98 and 216. So you just need to find the prime factors first. You will check all the numbers. 2 से डिवाइड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड कंप्लीट जब तक 1 तक नहीं पहुंचते तब तक करोगे. एंड देन यू विल टेक आउट द कॉमन नंबर फ्रॉम दीज एंड you will get your HCF, and in this case your HCF is 2. This you have to do by yourself. If you get any doubt, I am going to take it in your class. Now question number 9 is LCM. Again same way, you have to just divide these number one by one. 266, you start from 2, start dividing it one by one, and then you will get here some factors, and you simply going to multiply all these number. इस साइड जितने भी नंबर आएंगे उन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे and you will get your LCM, and in this case your right option is option number B, 6,384. Try to solve it. First you have to prime factorize these. जो भी आपके प्राइम फैक्टर्स आएंगे उनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे and you will get your LCM. Now the last question is check 45,000 672 is divisible by 3 or not. So divisibility rule of 3 is you have to add all the digits of the given number. So when you add all the numbers, you will get 24 as sum. And yes, 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. So yes, this number is also divisible by 3. So I hope this is clear to you. Try to solve every question again by yourself. And still, if you get any doubt, I'm going to take it in your prep class then.